All right, guys, real quick video here. So the final Charger, the final Dodge Charger V8 Hemi powered muscle car as we know it today, rolled off the assembly line on December 22nd. It was a Scatpack Widebody in Destroyer Gray, which I thought was interesting. It was a Scatpack. It wasn't a Hellcat, wasn't a red eye, wasn't a jailbreak. It was a Scatpack in Destroyer Gray. And that was December 22nd. And the final Chrysler 300 rolled off the lot on December 20th. And it was in the Octane Red. I thought that was interesting, man. Right? And then, of course, we talked about the Challenger. The Challenger was the Black Demon 170, which was number 3,300, which was literally the last Demon that was in that line of Demons to come out. But I thought it was interesting that the final Dodge Charger is a Scatpack Widebody in Destroyer Gray. Right? Because the Scatpack is without a doubt the best-selling Charger Challenger out there. I would think the Scatpack line, you know what I mean? I would think that the Scatpacks sold more than Hellcats, sold more than RTs, sold more than V6s, all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? Definitely more than Hellcats, because nobody's paying 80, 90, 100,000 for Hellcats, but they will pay 30, 40, 50, 60 for a Scatpack, which is what they did in the past. You know what I'm saying? When the Scatpacks first came out in 2015, they were going for what? 40, 41, 42. And then 2020, when I got my wide body, I got mine for 47. And now mine didn't have a sunroof, it didn't have leather seats. It was basically a big engine and a big screen and, you know, big tires and everything else, wide body. And I got mine for 47, but a lot of people now are paying north of 50, 60. I've even heard of some people paying 70 plus for their Scatpacks. But I thought it was interesting that the last V8 Hemi powered Charger was a Scatpack Widebody in Destroyer Gray. And I got a picture of it here coming off the lot, coming off the line. But yeah, man, that is it. So as of right now, I mean, that's it. No more Chargers, no more Challengers are being built, guys. No more Chrysler 300s, no more Hemi. No more Hemi. We have no idea when they're going to start building the 2024 Dodge Charger, the new style, right? The two-door inline six with the Hurricane engine, Hurricane low output and then high output. We have no idea when those are going to come out or when they're going to be built and when they're going to be delivered. We have been given information that the electric Dodge Charger SRT Banshee, I know I probably said that backwards as hell, that's coming out late of 2024. And it probably won't even come out in late 24. It'll be one of those things where they announce it in late 2024 and you can order it in late 2024 and it'll be delivered in probably 2025. But they are supposed to come out with the Daytona 2024 Dodge Charger. Not the Daytona. They are supposed to come out with the new body style 2024 Dodge Charger. And of course, they're discontinuing the Challenger. The Challenger's gone forever, never to be seen again. We have not heard anything about what Dodge is going to do with that at all. All we know is that it's gone. The V8 is gone as well. I was wondering when they were going to post about the last Charger coming off the lot, because they initially did it with the Demon Challenger. They did it last week with the Demon Challenger 170, the Challenger 170. I'm sorry, the Dodge Demon 170. They did that last week where they basically stated that it was a pitch black, right? Same color that I got right now. Demon 170, that was the last V8 powered Challenger ever to come off the line. Number 3,300, but they didn't say anything about the Charger. They already told us that the 300 stopped probably 2 or 3 days before the Charger and the Challenger did. And that was in the Octane Red. But now they're officially releasing that the Charger is gone. You know what I mean? No more Chargers at this point. So they pretty much shut everything down within 2 days of each other. The Chrysler first, and then the Charger and the Challenger after that. So at this point, nothing's being produced. Like, we are literally at the end at this point. You know what I'm saying? I thought it was interesting that the last Charger was a Destroyer Gray. I wonder if they're going to commemorate that somehow, some way. Instead of just putting last call on there like they're doing with all 23s. Like, they got to put last call, last Charger, last Mopar, last something, you know? Like, somehow or another, they've got to commemorate the fact that that is the last Charger ever to be built. Like, that's it. Never ever again in history will we see a V8 powered Charger or Challenger in the foreseeable future. That's what they're telling us now. But for all you guys out there with Destroyer Grays, Destroyer Gray Scatpack Widebodies, man. Chargers especially. You know, you should feel pretty good that the last Charger ever was a Destroyer Gray. Yeah. Rolled off the assembly line on Friday, December 22nd. Since then, the automaker has produced roughly 1.8 million examples of the sedan. 1.8 million Dodge Chargers are out there in the world right now. Since 2011, Dodge introduced the 7th generation Dodge Charger for the 2011 model year. Since then, the automaker has produced roughly 1.8 million examples of the sedan, including several supercharged V8 powered Hellcat variants. The final Challenger came off the assembly line on the same day, which was the SRT Demon 170 in pitch black. In addition, Chrysler built the final 300 sedan on December 20th. That means the company's aging big car architecture is finally really dead. It's officially dead. No more Charger, ladies and gentlemen. No more 4-door sedan, because you know the new Charger is going to be a 2-door sedan, basically a 2-door box or 2-door brick on wheels, whatever you want to call it. I'm reading here that reports indicate that Chrysler is working on an electric 4-door that is supposed to be coming out in 2024 or 2025. But of course, everything's behind closed doors, and that's just rumors. So Chrysler may be bringing out a 4-door electric joint, but Dodge has no intentions of it. No intentions whatsoever. Dodge released the electric muscle car concept called the Charger Daytona SRT in 2022, with plans to build such a car starting in late 2024, which is what I told you. The Charger name may not be gone for long because it's coming back in 2024. So yeah, guys, that's it, man. I just wanted to hit you with a quick little video there. The last Dodge Charger V8 powered Hemi ever happened to be a Dodge Charger Scatpack Widebody in Destroyer Gray, which I thought was dope, considering I drove a Scatpack Widebody at one point, and I'm sure a lot of you guys are sitting in Scatpacks right now. Not to mention, if you actually have a Scatpack in the Destroyer Gray, oh yeah, you're pretty solid. Like, that's cool. This was the last color, trim, make, and model to ever come from Dodge, was the one that you're sitting in right now. But as always, guys, real quick video, man. Just wanted to hit you with that. As always, like, subscribe, comment. It's been your boy Knockout 360. No more V8 Hemi. That's done. The future is upon us. See you guys in the next one. Peace.